Hi everyone, this is Omar from Tech Recaps. Welcome to my new channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save battery on your iPhone in just a few steps. The first thing you need to do is go to Settings and then Privacy, Location Services. Here you have few options. You can either switch off the location services, and that's gonna switch off entirely from your phone, or you go through these apps and each app has three different options. For example, if we go to weather, you have always, meaning that the weather app will always use location services. While using the app, it means that the app will use your location services only if the app is open. Will never use your location services. So what you need to do is just look at these apps and then you decide to give what kind of permission you need to give for each individual app. The second thing is switching off system services. What you can do is go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services, and then System Services. These options are turned on by default by Apple in order to send you notifications and advertisements based on your location. So what I tend to do is switch most of them off except the necessary options. So you keep the emergency calls on, Find My iPhone on, and you turn off almost all the other options. The next thing you need to do is manage Pushmail. Pushmail is a service that gonna send you a notification every time you receive a new email. It means the phone will be checking with the server all the time to check whether you received a new email or not, and that's gonna drain your battery. So what you need to do is you go to Settings, Passwords and Accounts, Fetch New Data, and here we have a few options: automatically, manually, hourly, 30 minutes and 15 minutes. I always go for the option 30 minutes. It means that the phone will check with the server every 30 minutes for a new email. The next thing we need to do is manage receiving notifications. So you need to go to Settings, Notifications, and switch the service off from each app that you don't want to receive notifications from. Another way to save battery is reduce motion. So what you need to do is you go to Settings, General, Accessibility, and then reduce motion. Switch on. My last step will be switching off background app refresh. So you need to go to Settings, General, Background app refresh. If you have the service on, it means the app will be running in the background, and that's gonna drain your battery. By switching it off, that's gonna save you some battery. And also make sure that your phone doesn't heat up, and also check the health of your battery by going to the Settings, Battery Health, and you can see here we have maximum capacity. It means that the health of your battery, so if you have it on 100%, for instance, it means your battery is 100% healthy. Apple says that the battery will be reduced from 100% to 85% after 2 years of using the phone. So once you have it lower than 85% or like 75%, then you need to go to Apple and get your battery replaced. These are the tips that I wanted to share with you today. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. Until the next video, peace.